Hi, Dr. Heather here from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. Today we're talking about concussion, and in the office, some of the things that we do to help people heal fast. We use nutrition testing in order to get the tissue to be rebuilt and to provide the building blocks that it needs for healing. And with the way we do that is we are very individualized, and we will do a neurological kinesiology testing with each individual to make sure we're getting the right combination for that person at that time, including how much to take and even time of day to take it. And some of the ones that come out the most often when I do find somebody struggling with concussion healing are these here. So adrenal complex is one of the ones that helps to support the adrenal glands because it's very stressful when you have a concussion. There are a few other adrenal supports that I use as well, but this holds that place. So we want to make sure that the adrenals have a baseline and are being taken care of and supported. We also know that B complex vitamins are really important in being able to handle stress, but also to be able to heal up from concussions. And we also find that vitamin C is really important as well. And I like to get the kind that can get in the most and is most effective. So liposomal versions are really good, or whole food-based vitamin Cs are good. Magnesium is so key, important for brain function, important for stress, important for sleep, important for digestive function. And so sometimes with concussion, there's been a digestive disturbance as well. So we'll need to address that on an individual basis and see what healing needs to happen there. Sometimes there's leaky gut that needs to be addressed. But magnesium is a key one for many people with concussion. We also find that minerals are important. So whether it's organically bound minerals in this form, or there are some other versions that I'll test people on, but minerals are very important for healing in concussion. And then we know the importance of fish oil. Fish oil is so important for the brain, so important for stress, and so important for inflammation. And so this is definitely a basic that everybody needs in order to heal up the fastest. Now, I also find that there are some supplements like kava, which actually helps to turn the stress switch down. So if people are feeling stressed and sensory overload, kava and ashwagandha, some of those other adaptogens, can be very useful for the healing process. Now, there's some very specific nutrients that are unique to this company standard process. And there's two that we find are very important for healing from concussion: neurotrophin PMG and thymus PMG. A PMG is a protomorphogen. It means it's the blueprint that the cells need in order to, it's the blueprint of healthy cells. So when you have damage to the system and your body needs to rebuild, this is a way for the body to get programmed in what are the healthiest version of those cells. And so the neurotrophin is for growing healthy nerve-based cells. And the thymus PMG is for more of the inflammation that occurs and the antibodies and the autoimmunity that can come along with people that struggle with concussion. So this has proven to be, and sometimes even more effective than the neurotrophin PMG. And then finally, there are essential oils that can be very useful. Frankincense is one of those that's very good for the nervous system. And then also to address inflammation, turmeric and boswellia are good. Now, boswellia is the boswellia complex that we use. Boswellia is another word for frankincense. And we have a combination with turmeric in it. And those items are so popular, they fly off the shelf. So I actually don't even have one to show you right now. But trust me, the turmeric forte from Standard Process and Medier, it is infused in fenugreek, so it's actually 26 times more absorbable. And so those products work fantastically when I'm trying to support people who are trying to heal from concussion. I hope that you found that this was useful. If you did, please share it with others, and I look forward to sharing more with you soon.